Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Ngululeko Cele, and today we have a special treat for you. As you know, our channel is all about traveling and exploring new destinations. But guess what? We are incorporating some automotive content too. And we are just kicking it off today with the all-new HAVAL H6 2023, the base model. So buckle up and let's dive into this exciting review. We are going to start with the side profile of the HAVAL H6. The SUV features sleek lines and a modern design that's sure to turn heads on the road. The alloy wheels are not only stylish but also provide excellent traction with their size range in the HAVAL H6. And the tire size that you can get in the HAVAL H6 depends on the region where the car is purchased, but the profiles basically range from 17-inch to 20-inch. The side mirrors are electrically adjustable and heated, adding to the convenience and safety of the vehicle. Moving to the front, the HAVAL H6 base model boasts bold grille design that gives it a commanding presence. The LED headlights are bright and provide excellent visibility at night. Plus, the fog lights and daytime running lights enhance the safety aspect of the vehicle. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality. Let's step inside and check out the interior. The dashboard is well designed and features a user-friendly layout with easy-to-reach controls. One of the convenient features is the wireless charging pad, perfect for keeping your devices charged on the go. Plus, the H6 comes with multiple USB ports, also making it more easy to stay connected. The steering wheel is leather wrapped and features mounted controls for radio, cruise control, and more, adding to the convenience and ease of driving. The cabin of the H6 is spacious and comfortable, providing ample legroom and headroom for both the driver and the passenger. The front seats are heated and ventilated, offering a luxurious driving experience. The rear seats also have ample legroom and can also be folded down for additional storage space. The panoramic sunroof adds a touch of elegance and allows natural light to flood the cabin. The infotainment is equipped with touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multimedia playback, review camera, voice recognition, climate control integration, vehicle information display, a whole range of customization options. These are just a few features that you get in the HAVAL H6. But these features may vary depending on the trim of the HAVAL H6. And when it comes to safety, the HAVAL H6 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a host of advanced features, including multiple airbags, ABS, ESC, blind spot monitoring, rear cross, traffic alerts. That's just to name a few. And it's nice to know that you are protected while you are driving the H6. Let's take a look at the rear. The boot space is generous, providing ample room for your adventure gear, offering around 454 liters with the rear seats in their upright position. The tail lights are stylish and add to the overall aesthetic appeal of the vehicle. This car definitely looks sleek, sporty from the back as well. Let's talk about the performance that comes with the H6. It comes in a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, which produces a whopping 123 kilowatts and 285 newtons of torque. A fuel consumption of 5.2 to 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers. And then coming to the practical aspects of owning the H6, it comes with a rock-solid warranty, a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer, whichever comes first, coverage, protecting against manufacturing defects and workmanship issues. Say goodbye to unexpected costs and hello to worry-free driving. But just make sure that you follow HAVAL service schedule for your vehicle, including servicing, maintenance, and corrosion inspection. Then get your repairs done at a HAVAL approved body repair and body paints defects. But for all the nitty and gritty details, check out the warranty service guide booklets or chat with your local HAVAL dealer. The current market value of the H6 is 479,950 rands, with a 0 deposits, a 0 trade-in value, a 10% interest rate, and a 30% residual over 72 months. You can expect to pay a monthly installment of 7,000 rands 569. And that's a wrap on our review of the HAVAL H6, the base model 2023. From its sleek side profile to its modern interior, features and advanced safety technology, I must say this SUV is truly impressive. If you enjoyed the review and want more exciting automotive content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Let me tell you, your support keeps us going. And we are excited to bring you more thrilling reviews in the future. Anyways, thank you for watching, and until the next time, happy adventuring.